Hey, what's going on, you guys? If you're watching this video, chances are you're a teenager who's looking to make money online. So I'm going to share with you guys a few different methods that you can get started with. Just to give you guys a quick disclaimer, you're going to have to learn some new skills in order to be successful with these methods. But on the positive side, you have plenty of time to learn this stuff, and when you do, you're going to have these skills for the rest of your life. So the first method that you can use to start earning money online is by selling stock photos. If you like to take a lot of pictures and you have access to a DSLR camera, maybe your parents or a relative that you know might have one, you can ask to borrow it and just start practicing taking pictures. When you start to get the hang of it, you can start to take pictures and upload them onto stock photo websites. A couple of these websites are Shutterstock and iStockPhoto. So what you want to focus on is taking pictures that people would pay money to use the rights for. So this would be pictures of computers, health, nature scenery, people playing sports. Because the people who would pay for the rights to use these kind of photos are people who need stock photos for their blogs or their websites. So basically the way you make money is by taking photos and uploading these photos onto these stock photo websites. And then when people want to use your photo for their blog or website, they have to pay you for the rights to use it, and you make royalties from that. This is a great way to earn passive income because you can take one photo and sell it to multiple people, and every time that they pay for the rights, you're making royalties every time. So the second method to making money online is through freelancing. So this would include providing digital services to people. So if you're somebody who's really into computers, you can provide services like Photoshop, video editing, graphic design, and even coding. All of these services are in high demand because most people don't have the time to do it themselves, or they don't have the patience to learn how to do it. So if you're a teenager, most likely you have more time on your hands than the average adult does. So once you learn these skills, you can use them to earn money for life. And you can also write blog posts for other people so they can use on their website. The third way that you can earn money online is by creating a YouTube channel. Your YouTube channel can be about a number of different things. You can start a gaming channel because a lot of kids like to watch gaming channels. But your channel doesn't have to be about gaming. It can be about anything that you can think of. If you're a teenager watching this video, you should know what other kids like to watch. Just think about what you like to watch on YouTube, and if that's something that you'd be interested in doing, then go for it. It'll take time for you to build up your channel, but if you stick with it, you'll start to grow your subscribers, and after you get to a certain amount, you can start to have advertisements in your videos. But not only that, you can also sell your own merchandise on your channel in the description, but that's something to consider later on down the road. So the fourth method that you can use to earn money online is through affiliate marketing and also doing product reviews. So basically what affiliate marketing is just referring somebody to a product by having them click on a link. And if they make a purchase through the link that they clicked on, then that's when you make a commission. So the first thing that you have to do when it comes to affiliate marketing is to pick a product. So let's say, for example, you're reviewing something like, these headphones right here. You're going to talk about all the features that they have, the comfort of wearing them, and all the practical uses that you can have for them. And you can do this on your YouTube channel if your channel is about product reviews. You can also do this on a blog. And then just simply leave a link where people can have the option to buy these headphones. And every time somebody buys them through the link that you provided to them, that's when you make a sale, which is money. So out of all these methods that I talked about, I personally like affiliate marketing because you don't have to have your own products in order to make money. You don't even have to worry about shipping anything out. But there is a learning curve when it comes to this business. So if you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing, you can check out the link in the description for a free ebook download called Affiliate Marketing Ideas. So what this book does is it helps you decide what niche to promote when it comes to affiliate marketing, and also the different platforms that you can use to promote your affiliate offers. So if you're interested in getting started with affiliate marketing, I recommend checking that out. It's completely free. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it or you got some kind of value out of it. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below what your thoughts about these methods are. And if you want to see more videos like this, then I invite you guys to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.